Bill here with G3 Garage. I wanted to do an update. I haven't posted anything on the channel in many months, and the reason behind that is we ended up buying some property out here in the country, as you can see behind me. We moved about 10 miles or so northwest of where we were living in the Houston area. Been there for 35 plus years and decided we needed to do something different. I had a shop that I was renting for the last 15 or so years to do all my car stuff, restorations and mechanic work and whatnot, since HOAs frown heavily upon that. And we got a few acres out here, like I said, out in the country that has a shop already on it. And so we bit the bullet last year and bought this place, as you can see behind me. And it is absolutely beautiful out here today. We had a front come through last night. This is late April 2024. And so anyways, we combined all the stuff from home and the shop, and I was able to get a shop that had some space in it that I can work in and not have to pay rent anymore. So real happy about that. Got some covered area over here, carport. You can see my 75 SSL Camino. That's a original 454 400 turbo drivetrain, all numbers matching stuff. And then right next to it is a good friend of mine, Reverend Kevin. Some of you guys may know him. He's got the 76 Laguna back there. Has a 496 big block with a Tremec 6-speed in it, set up real nice. We'll do some videos on that, and he's already got some videos on his channel. So I'll put a link in this description for that, and you can check out his videos he's done on that so far. And back there's the barn where all I store parts and stuff, and you can see back in the background there's some vehicles back there. There's a 76 Monte Carlo that I just picked up a few weeks back on the car trailer. So got a lot of things in the works. Right now I am in the process of getting my website set up to sell parts and vehicles, and that's going to be g3garage.com. Should have that operational in the next month or so. So the premise behind that is to find these 73 through 77 GM A bodies and get these parted out on the website and get parts back in the hands of people that are restoring these vehicles. So, and if you don't know, my channel focuses on 73 through 77 GM A body vehicles. We've got quite a few projects in the works, and I've got a 75 Hirscholds Cutlass in the shop that I'm in the middle of restoring. Got some more videos coming out on it. Also, I've noticed on some of the Facebook groups I'm on that there's been quite a few requests for information or videos on how to install a heater core in these vehicles. So I'll do a video on that coming up in the next few months, because my focus is going to be getting this 75 Hirscholds restored and sold and in the hands of somebody who can truly appreciate it. So more videos on that coming. Also, I've got a 1975 Laguna S3, and I am going to do a Muncie 4-speed swap on that, hopefully before the end of the year. So that's coming. Also have the 77 Can-Am. A lot of work to do on that one. That'll probably be late in the year, early next year. A lot of rust repair on it, but it's an original Skyroof car. Numbers matching drivetrain on that one, so I'm excited to get to work on that. And then also a 1975 Grand Am, which is an original Skyroof setup as well. I'll do some videos on that hopefully later on this year, such as replacing the front fascia on there with the Motor Realm fiberglass replacement nose. and a few other things. But I got several vehicles also that I'm going to be parting out over the summer. That 76 Monte Carlo back there is one of them. It's a Landau edition. It's got swivel buckets, console, all that good stuff, power windows, door locks. Got a 77 Oldsmobile 442 back there that will be parted out. It's got a 350 in it. It runs and drives, so it's a good drivetrain, but it's also got some rust issues. Also back there's a 77 Can-Am parts car that I'm going to use to restore the Skyroof vehicle. And I've got a 76 Laguna back there as well that will be parted out. That's pretty much intact, but it also has some rust issues. And I believe that's it for the moment. I'll do some more update videos as new vehicles come in, but I also have a 1987 SS El Camino, a choo-choo edition that some of you guys may know about. I've done some videos on it, and I am hoping to get a video out on it in the next 30 to maybe 60 days to do the install on the Speedway tubular upper and lower control arm kit that I purchased late last year. I've had a lot of inquiries about whether I've installed that kit or not yet, and so I really need to get that done and post a video on that to figure out, how these things perform, if the installation is pretty straightforward or if there's going to be some issues or whatever. I'll document all that stuff, but I will get a video out on that in the coming months for you guys that have been asking about it. So that is pretty much what's going on with me. Like I said, I haven't been able to post anything because we've been moving lots of stuff and transitioning out here to the country, which like I said, we absolutely love out here. Plenty of space to work with, and don't have to deal with renting a place or have to deal with HOAs or any of that good stuff. So again, I appreciate y'all watching. And for any of you that have suggestions as far as videos that you want me to cover, please put those in the comments below. I'll do my best to get some videos out on that. But in the meantime, we're still kind of unpacking and getting things put away. So hopefully by midsummer we'll be operating full bore out here at the G3 Garage compound. Again, I appreciate y'all watching, and stay tuned. We got some good stuff coming up.